106. Now in this 106, question number 66 to 70. Now these 5 questions are based on circular arrangement. How many persons are there? 8 persons seated around a circular table. But now some of them are facing the center while some of them are away from the center. Now inward and outward is given. As inward and outward is given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then now Q faces outside is clearly given. As Q faces outside is clearly given, then we need to start from Q. And Q is here. And what is the next information? R sits second to the left of Q, R is at this place. And Q is away from the center, R sits second to the left of Q. L sits south to the right of R. L is south to the right of R. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. L is south to the right of R is facing towards the center. And in the second case, now 8 persons were there. Q is away from the center. And next one, R is here. And L sits south to the right of R. L sits south to the right of R. L is seated south to the right of R. Now in this case, now in the first case, R must be away from the center. L sits south to the right. Now in this case, R must be towards the center. L sits south to the right of R. Now R is facing towards the center. Here R is away from the center. And next, both the immediate neighbors of L face the same direction as R. Immediate neighbors of L are facing the same direction as R. Immediate and same direction as R. In the first case, R is facing away from the center. Immediate neighbors of L are also facing away from the center. And in the second case, R is facing towards the center and immediate neighbors of L are facing towards the center. Done with this? Immediate neighbors of L are facing the same direction as R. And next one, M sits to the immediate left of K. M is to the immediate left of K. M sits to the immediate left of K. K is neither an immediate neighbor of R nor Q. And K is not an immediate neighbor of R or Q. Clear? K cannot be in this. And K cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. And as K cannot be in these 3 places, then what are the different possibilities for this K? K and K is M sits to the immediate left of K. K cannot be here as well. Ikkada kuda K undakodu. Enduku undakodu? K is here, K is away from the center. M sits to the immediate left of K means, and M and L must be in the same place, not possible. Done with this? Hence, K cannot be in these places. Can K is at this place? Ikkada undacha leda K? Undach. Then M can be here or here, there is a possibility. Or K can be here as well. There are 2 possibilities for K. And again coming back to this one. Ikkada chudandi, K cannot be here, cannot be here. And cannot be here, 2 possibilities. Now cannot be here as well if K is here. M sits to the immediate left of K is not possible. Hence what is the only possibility? K is here, M is here, M sits to the immediate left of K. And in the second case we have got only one. And K is an immediate neighbor of neither K is not an immediate neighbor of R or Q. R ki Q ki pakkan leru kabatti. Then next one. M is not an immediate neighbor of L. M is not an immediate neighbor of L. M is not an immediate neighbor of L. Hence M cannot be at this place. If K is here, M is here. K is here, M is here. Or K or M can be in these 2 places as well. Then O sits to the immediate left of P. O is to the immediate left of P means O and P must be together. As O and P must be together, O is to the immediate left of P. Then, if you take O and P in these 2 places, these 2 places O and P, then K and M, we cannot have K and M. Because K cannot be here, then K will be here. K is here, M will be here, not possible. Now follow here. Hence, O and P cannot be in these 2 places. As O and P cannot be in these 2 places, then what is the possibility for this O and P? O and P ekkada undali? O and P. O ekkada unte P ikkada? O and P or O and P. Ante kada? O and P are immediate neighbors. And K cannot be here, then K must be here. If K is here, M is here. And M is to the immediate left of K, K must be facing towards the center. Then, and again coming back to this one, O and P are adjacent to each other. Where can we have this O and P? O and P over here. O sits to the immediate left of P. Hence, P cannot be at this place. Avuna kada? As P cannot be here, O is to the immediate left of P means P is here and P is facing towards the center, O is here. And who is the person left over here? KLMNO PQR. KLMNO PQR. And in this one again, N is here. O sits to the immediate left of P. O is to the immediate left of P. And in this case, can we have P at this place? P ikkada undacha? P ikkada unte O and L must be in the same place, not possible. P cannot be here, O is here. O is here, P is here. As P is here, P must be away from the center. O sits to the immediate left of P. Done with this? Then next one. And both the immediate neighbors of Q face a direction opposite to O. Immediate neighbors of Q. Immediate neighbors of Q opposite to O means O is facing away from the center. Hence, immediate neighbors of Q, L and N must be facing towards the center. Immediate neighbors of Q opposite to what? Opposite to O. Opposite to O. O is facing towards the center. Immediate neighbors of Q, P and N must be away from the center. N is away, but whereas P is facing towards the center. Hence, this case is ruled out. Now we have left with only the first case. And next one. And immediate neighbors of K face the same direction. That means P and M are facing the same direction. Sarvendra? Then according to this one, what is K's position with respect to R? K with respect to R, K is seated second to the left of R, second to the left, choice 3, question number 66. And 4 out of the following, M, L, P, Q, R. M is away, R is away, Q is away, P is away, L is towards the center, except L. The remaining persons are away from the center, L is towards the center, that is odd one. Then 68. Which of the following is true regarding N as per the given arrangement? Q sits to the immediate right of N. Q is to the immediate right of N is false. And K is one of the immediate neighbors of N. And that's again ruled out. And 3 persons between N and P. Now 3 between N and P definitely true. Choice 3, 68. And 68 it is choice 3. Then 69. And how many people in the given arrangement facing the center? Now tell me how many are facing towards the center here? Only 3 persons are facing the center, remaining 5 are away from the center, 69 choice 3. Then coming to 70, and 70th, who is seated second to the right of Q? And Q's second right O choice 1, question number 70. Done with this? Then 71 onwards. Now 71 to 75, it is based on parallel rows. How many people are there? 10 people are seated in 2 parallel rows. Now these 10 people seated in 2 parallel rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another 5 persons were like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in row 1 FGHIJ, and all of them are facing towards north. Now this is row 1 FGHIJ. Now this is row 2. Now in row 2, who are the persons? A, B, C, D, and E. Now A, B, C, D, and E are the persons in row 2. And B is an immediate neighbor of the person who faces J. J sits at one of the extreme ends of the line. J is at one of the extreme ends of the line. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. J can be either at the left extreme or J can be at the right extreme. Hence 2 possibilities here. And J sits at one of the extreme ends of the line. And next one. And B is an immediate neighbor of the person who faces J. And J के opposite to immediate neighbor is B. J's opposite immediate neighbor is B. And B is an immediate neighbor of the person. And B is an immediate neighbor of the person who faces J. J's opposite immediate neighbor is B. Clear? And next one, only one person between B and the one who faces G. Only one person between B and the one who faces G means G is here. And only one person between B and the one who faces G means G is at this place. And one of the immediate neighbors of G faces A. One of the immediate neighbors of G faces A, and A can be in these 2 places. One of the immediate neighbors of G faces A can be in these 2 places. One of the immediate neighbors of G faces A is not an immediate neighbor of B. As A is not an immediate neighbor of B, hence A cannot be here, A cannot be here. What are the possibilities we have? A at this place, A at this place. And next one, A is not an immediate neighbor, only one person between B and C. Now between B and C there must be exactly one person. And one of the immediate neighbors of H faces D. One of the immediate neighbors of H faces D. Now if D is here, one of the immediate neighbors H can be here. Or if H is here, D can be here. And there are two possibilities. And H must be at this place. H cannot be at this place. And one of the immediate neighbors H cannot be here. And H cannot be here. Hence, what is the place for this H? H is here and D is here. One of the immediate neighbors of H faces D. And one of the neighbors of H faces D. D is not an immediate neighbor of C. As D is not an immediate neighbor of C, this is ruled out, and D is here. And A, B, C, D, E, and here G, F, G, H, I, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G. And F sits second to the right of the person who faces A. And A opposite is second right. Here A's opposite is this person to this person, second right is not possible at all. Then, hence in this case, and F sits second to the right of the one who faces A. Now F is at this place. Now if F is here, and who is the person left over? I is the person left over. Clear now? Then who among us the following sits second to the right of the person who faces C? And who faces C? G. Second to the right of C is whom? H. H choice for question number 71. And 72, which of the following groups of people represent the people sitting at the extreme ends of both the rows? A, D, J, I. A, D, I, J, choice 1, question number 72. And 73, which of the following is true regarding E? Only two people between E and B, that is false. And both D and C are immediate neighbors of E, that is again false. H is an immediate neighbor of the person who faces E. Definitely true, choice 4. And next one, 74. Who among us the following faces I? A faces, that is choice 5, question number 74. And which of the following is true regarding the options with respect to given C faces A, that is false. And H is an immediate neighbor of I. Avutunda? H is an immediate neighbor of I, that is false. And I sits exactly between G and J. That is again false. B faces one of the immediate neighbors of F, definitely true. Choice 5, question number 75. Then 76. Now in the 76, J and A are brothers. Now J and A are brothers. And at the same time, S is the father of whom? J and A are brothers. And S is the father of A. S is the father of A. J and A are brothers. And S is married to L. S is married to L. S and L are married couple. S is a male, L is a female. And R is the daughter of L. R is the daughter of L. Hence these three persons are siblings. R is the daughter of L. J and A are brothers. S is the father of A. S is married to L. And next one, R is the daughter of L. R has two children, M and B. And G is the father of B. Now this G is the father of B means R and G are married couple. And they get information. And next one. What is the other information we have? Next one. And how is J related to G? Now G is wife's brother. Wife's brother means spouse's brother. Brother-in-law, choice 1, question number 76. And how is S related to M? M's mother's father, grandfather, choice 2, 77. And 77, choice 2. Then 78. Now 78 onwards, it is based on. Now 78 to 82, 7 friends were there. Now these 7 friends, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, have a painting competition on 7 different days of the same week. And the same week starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Each friend also studies in a different class. And hence, fix and it is based on 2 parameters, isn't it? And 2 parameters here. Hence, we need to fix the days. Days fix the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And next one, each friend also studies in a class. Hence we have 2 different parameters here. Then coming to condition number 1. Now in condition number 1, the information here. I studies in class 10. Now I studies in class 10. Now as of now we do not have any information. And has a competition on Thursday. And has a competition on Thursday. And I Thursday and he is studying in class 10. And next one. And K has a computation immediately before G. Now this K has a computation immediately before G, K and G must be together. As K and G must be together, K does not have a computation either on Monday or Friday. And K cannot be here and K cannot be here. And so what are the different possibilities for there? K for K and G, this is one possibility. Next one, K and G is the second possibility. And they get the two possibilities, I is on 10th. Hence we have these two possibilities, K and G. Then next one, on Monday or Friday, J has a computation on Sunday. Now J has a computation on Sunday, J is on Sunday. But as here, we got G on this one on Sunday, that is ruled out. J has a computation on Sunday and neither studies 12th nor 8. Hence 8 and 12 were ruled out for this one. And they get 8 and 12. The one who is a computation on Monday studies 7th class. Now this person studies 7th class. The one who studies in class 5 does not have a computation on Wednesday. 5 cannot be here. And next one. On Wednesday, the one who studies in class 4 has a computation immediately before H. And class 4 is immediately before H. We cannot have a H on Monday. We cannot have H on Friday. Can H on Saturday. Now class 4 is immediately before this one. And next one. The one who studies class 12 does not have a computation on any one of the days before I. Class 12 is after IN. As class 12 is after I, 12 cannot be on Sunday, hence 12 must be H. Sarvenda? And 12 is H. And next one cannot be, does not have on any, and G does not study in class 8. G does not study in class 8, 8 cannot be here. Now if you observe here, 8 cannot be on Sunday and 8 cannot be on Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday is also ruled out. 8 ekkadundali and K must be on 8. And F does not study 4 and F is here. F ekkadunte migilipoyindi evaru cheppandi? E is a person, E is studying 4th class. And 5 cannot be at this place and so 5 is here. And if 5 is here, inka migilipoyindi cheppandi 4, 5 and 4, 5 and 6. And 6 అయిపోయిందా 6 and 4, 5, 7. 6 లేదు ఇక్కడ 7, 8 and 11. Now this person G is on 11. G studies 11th class. Then which of the following combination is definitely correct? Now J Sunday, that is on 12th అన్నారు. And J Sunday 12th correct అవుతుందా? And J Sunday, that is ruled out. J Sunday is correct but not 12th. K Tuesday 8th, that is definitely to choice 2, question number 78. Then in this 79, and which of the following classes does G study? Now G studies in the 12th standard, that is choice 2, question number 79. And coming to this 80, which of the following is definitely true? E has a computation on Monday, that is false. K has a computation on one of the days after I, that is again false. And J studies in class 5, J class 5, that is definitely to choice 3. Question number 80, choice 3, 81. And which of the following represents the day on which F has its computation? F has its computation on Monday, choice 5, question number 81. And 82, 4 out of the following. And G is on Friday, that is false. And E Tuesday, and E Tuesday, that is again 4 out of the following. G and Friday, between G and Friday there is exactly one person. And E and Tuesday, there are two persons. I and Saturday, and there is exactly one person. And so what is your answer in this case? 82 except choice. In the remaining, they are in the alternate days. And 83 is based on comparisons. And there are some 6 ID forms have different number of branches. Now we need to compare these 6 according to the number of branches they have, and only one form has more branches than C. Only one form is having more than C, means C must be at the second place. And next one, only one form has more branches. The D has more branches than B, but lesser than F. F, D and B. E has more branches than F, isn't it? E does not have the most number of branches. E cannot be at the top, E must be at the third place. EF, DB, and what is left over here? A. A must be at the top. And next one, and the firm having second highest number of branches has 13 branches. Now the C is having 13 and the one second lowest has 5 branches, D is having 5 branches. Then which among us the following firms has more branches than only 2 firms? రెండిట్లో కన్నా మాత్రమే ఎక్కువ ఉన్నది అని చెప్పండి. And which is having more than only 2? That is F. F, that is choice 1, question number 83. Then 84. And which of the following is true regarding A? B has more branches than A. That is false. And third one, A has 13 branches is false. A has the most number of branches, definitely true. Choice 4, 84. Then 85. Now in this 85, which among us the following firms possible has 3 branches? 3, that is none other than B. Choice 4, 85. Then 86. 86 onwards, it is based on syllogisms. Now in the syllogisms, logically follows. All kids are babies. How to represent this one? These are the kids that are babies. And all babies are what? All babies are children. All kids are babies, all babies are children. And all children are babies. True or false? All children are babies is false. And all kids are children, definitely true. And so only 2 follows. And the second one, that is true, it is an affirmative. True forever. Choice 4, question number 86. 86, choice 4. Then 87. Now in this 87, all these chemicals are liquid. Now these are the chemicals that are liquid, and some of the chemicals are solid, chemical and a solid. And some solids are liquid or not. Definitely true. And all solids are liquids is a possibility. Solids and liquids avvacha leda? Ila raskovachu kada lopala? Yes. And so both the conclusions are true, both 1 and 2. Choice 2, question number 87. 87, choice 2. Then 88. And 88, all these metals are what? All these metals are minerals. Now all these metals are minerals. All metals are minerals. No metal is a gas. No, all metals are minerals. And no metal is a gas. No intersection between metal and a gas. And all minerals are metals. All minerals are metals is false. No mineral is a gas is definitely true as of now. True అయింది కాబట్టి false అంటే some minerals are gases. చెప్పొచ్చా లేదా? Mineral and gas I can able to write like this. Alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. Once we have made the alternate negative conclusion false, ఇంతకు ముందు false and affirmative conclusion true అయిందో లేదో చూడండి ఈ diagram. All minerals are metals ఇప్పుడు కూడా false. True అయ్యి ఉంటే either or అయ్యేది. True అవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి neither 1 not 2. Neither 1 not 2, choice 3, question number 88. Then coming to 89, and some of the rays are sources. Now these are the rays that are sources. And all these lights are sources. All lights are sources. No ray is a light, definitely true. And some rays are light, that is false. Now no ray is a light is definitely true. ఇప్పుడు ఇదేమేం చెప్పు నెగిటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్ ట్రూ అయింది కాబట్టి సమ్ రేస్ ఆర్ లైట్స్ అని ట్రై చేస్తాం. ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా రే అండ్ లైట్? ఎస్. అండ్ సమ్ రేస్ ఆర్ లైట్స్ ట్రూ అయింది కాబట్టి నో రే ఈజ్ ఎ లైట్ ఫాల్స్ అయిపోయింది. ఇంతకుముందు ఫాల్స్ అయిన అఫర్మేటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్ సమ్ రేస్ ఆర్ లైట్స్ ఈ డయాగ్రామ్లో ఏమైపోయింది? ఇప్పుడు ట్రూ అయింది. First conclusion true అయితే second false, second true అయితే first false. And so what is your answer? Either 1. Either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2, choice 4, question number 89. 90. And some tents are houses. Now these are the tents that are houses, and some houses are apartment, and some tents are apartment, that is false. And some houses are tents, definitely true. This is the intersection of those two. And so only 2 follows. Only 2, choice 5, question number 90. Then 91. 91 to 95 is based on coding and decoding. Now in this coding and decoding, travel more fun, travel new and regularly. Now tell me what is the word that is common between the first and the second? First, second and 4. In all these 3 words, travel is the word that is common, and the code that is common is SE. SC is common, and the code for travel is SC. Then if you compare 1 and 2, more for fun. No word is common between 1 and 2 now. And 1 and 3, more fun, and fun is the word that is common between these two. As fun is the word that is common, and the code that is common between the first and the third is JK. The code for fun is JK. Saripinda JK? And next one, more and for. Now these two words were not repeated at anywhere else. More and for మనకి ఎక్కడ రిపీట్ అవ్వలేదు. రిపీట్ అవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి ఏమవ్వాలి చెప్పండి, NARTU in any order. Clear? More and for, NATU in any order. Then if you compare the second and the third, new and regularly. Now regularly is the word that is common between the second and the third. As regularly is common and the code that is common between these two, ఏ కోడ్ కామన్ అని చెప్పండి, YN, and the code for regularly is YN. And next one, if you compare second and fourth, new end. End is the word that is common between these two. As end is the word that is common, the code that is common is AI. The code for end is AI. End is AI, end is A. And in the second one, new is the word left. And what is the code left? LJ. The code for new is LJ. New is LJ. And next one, and widget. If you compare 3 and 4, widget is the word that is common. And the code that is common between these two is RK. The code for widget is RK. And next one, ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయింది అని చెప్పండి, plan. And the code for plan is what? DJ. Plan is DJ. And places. Places is what? PS. The code for places is PS. Now these are the words and their corresponding codes. Then what is the code for end plan? End plan ki code అని చెప్పండి, DJ. End ki code AI. AI DJ in any order. Choice 2, question number 91. Then 92. And what does the code IJ stands for? Now this IJ stands for new. New, that is choice 2. And 93. What is the code for more? The code for more is either NA or TU, choice 4. And what may be the code for explore fun places? Explore is not given anywhere here. Fun and places. Fun ki code అని చెప్పండి, JK. And places ki code PS. And JK, PS must be there. And QV. Now tell me whether QV can be the code to the word explore or not. And QV ఎక్కడైనా ఏ వర్డ్కైనా కోడ్గా ఇచ్చారా లేదు. Hence QV can be the code to this one, choice 194. Then coming to this 95, what is the code for widget? The code for widget is RK, choice 395. Then 96 to 100. Now J and M. J and M. J is here, M is here. Which element is common? And J greater than or equals to K, K greater than M. Now from J to M, which symbol is common? Greater. Hence J greater than M, definitely true. And next one, S and J. Now S and J, S is here. Now between K to S, two opposite symbols, no relation can be drawn. Hence what is your answer? Only one. 96, only one, choice 1. 97, relation between T and S. S is here, T is here. Between these two, one greater than, one lesser than, two opposite symbols, no relation. Next one, C and E. Now between C and E, E greater than or equals to C, C lesser than or equals to E. Hence what is your answer? Only 2. Only 2, choice 2, question number 97. Then 98, the relation between K and S. Between K and S, two opposite symbols, so no relation. And next one, U and J. U is here, J is here. Which element is common? K is common. As K is common and K greater than U means U lesser than K, K lesser than or equals to J. Now between U to J, U lesser than J, definitely 2, choice 2. And so only 2 is 2, choice 5, 98. 99, L and P. L and P opposite symbols, and Q and L opposite symbols. So neither one not 2, neither one not 2, choice 2, question number 99. And finally 100, now M and C. Now between M and C, which symbol is common? Lesser than M, lesser than F. C and M, between M and C, M lesser than C, C greater than M. Hence what is your answer? Both the conclusions are true, choice 1, question number 100. Clear? Now this is about paper number 106. Is anything else left over in this one? Number series. Question numbers please. 60? Now 61 onwards. Now question number 61. What is the information we have? Now 943 and so on, isn't it? as 943. చెప్పండి ఏమి ఇచ్చారు 943 డిఫరెన్స్. నా హియర్ మనకి దేనికి వెళ్ళాలి, డిఫరెన్స్కి వెళ్ళాలా, ప్రోడక్ట్ వెళ్ళాలా, కాంబినేషన్కి వెళ్ళాలా, ఎందుకు వెళ్ళాం? నా 943తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది 1500. అగైన్ 1364 నుంచి 1533 ద నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ బై అట్లీస్ట్ డబుల్, అవునా కదా? అండ్ ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి అండర్ డిఫరెన్స్. Difference is 943 and 1068. What is the difference here? 125 is the difference. 125 is the difference between these two. And 68 and this one. And those difference 140. Next one 1208 and 1364. Difference and those 156. And next difference is so much 64 and 33. 36 plus 33 69. No? And what is the difference here? 169. And then in this one, tell me what is the odd one among these? Any number here? Now 125. 125 can be written as 5 cube. 145 again. Differences of differences తీసుకున్నారా? And differences of difference తీసుకుంటే ఏమైంది? 15 వచ్చింది. next one 16 and next one ఎంత వచ్చింది 13 and 56 and 13 వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? అండ్ నా హియర్ ఇక్కడ 15 ఇక్కడ ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి 13 ఇక్కడ 14th ఏం డిఫరెన్స్? ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ ఈజ్ 14. 125 ప్లస్ 15 ప్లస్ 14 ఎంత రావాలి? ప్లస్ 14 154 రావాలి. అండ్ ఇక్కడ 14 డిఫరెన్స్ అయితే నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పండి? అక్కడ కూడా నెంబర్ మారిపోతుందా? 50 నా 15 వస్తుంది గ్యాప్. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ 15 తీసుకుంటే 155 55 అండ్ 69 అండ్ 55 ఇక్కడ గ్యాప్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్? 140 ఇక్కడ 155 యాడ్ చేయండి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 1363 వస్తుంది, అవునా కదా? 1363 అండ్ 1533 ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 170 వస్తుంది. 170 వస్తే అప్పుడు డిఫరెన్సెస్ మనకి 15 సరిపోతున్నాయా లేదా? మేము మాట్లాడలేదు. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రాంగ్ నెంబర్ హియర్? ద మిడిల్ నెంబర్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మిడిల్ నెంబర్? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎక్కడికి 1364 ఈజ్ ద రాంగ్ వన్. సరిపోయిందా? 61 1364. And difference of these numbers must be 15 in the alternate or else. Now ఈ 125 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు చెప్పండి? 125 can be written as 11 square plus 4. అలాగనే రాద్దామా? 11 square plus 4. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎలా రాస్తాం? and 12 square minus 4. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎలా రాయాలి? 11 12 13 square and 14 square 1 అలా అవ్వదు, అలా కానీ కాదు. అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్? చాయిస్ 4. అండ్ 62. నా ఇన్ దిస్ 62 చెప్పండి. నా 220 251. హియర్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద నెంబర్స్ ఈజ్ సో మచ్ 31. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ 51 and 84 33. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ 40. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ 32, అవునా కదా? నా 24 and 56 32నే కదా 32. మరి డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆడ్ వన్? 324 వుడ్ బి ద ఆడ్ వన్. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? 31 అయిపోయింది, 33 నెక్స్ట్ ఏమేమి 35 37 అండ్ సో ఆన్. డన్. అండ్ 31 అండ్ హియర్ 33. నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పండి 35 ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి? అండ్ 2 84 ప్లస్ 35. వాట్ ఈజ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్? 5 ప్లస్ 4 ఈజ్ 9 అండ్ 319 రావాలి. అండ్ 319 అయితే మీరు నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 37 సరిపోయిందా లేదా? 356. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రాంగ్ నెంబర్ హియర్? 324. 319 ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ నెంబర్. ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద నెంబర్స్ ఈజ్ 31 33 35 అండ్ సో ఆన్. డన్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వీ హ్యావ్? అండ్ 63. నా ఇన్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 63 65 132 ఏమవ్వాలి? నో ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూడండి 500 1000 డబుల్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ డబుల్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్. అండ్ 65 and 132 కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ ఇంటూ 2 ప్లస్ 2. 132 into 2 264 plus 2 266. అండ్ 266 into 2 ఎంత చెప్పండి? అండ్ 266 into 2 500 plus 2, 512, 522 plus 2, 524 hour. And here what is the wrong number we have? 532 plus 2, 534 is the correct number, and 538 is the wrong number. And 534 into 2 plus 2 and so on. Done? And the wrong number is now into 2 plus 65 and 132 into 2 and the 264 ikkada plus 4 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. ఇంకొకసారి చూడండి. And 65 into 2 plus 2, 132 into 2 ఎంత? 264 plus 2, yes, into 2 plus 2, this is the wrong one, 538. సరిపోతుందా డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఇక్కడ? నా 132 into 2, 264 కదా, అండ్ 264 plus 2 ఎంత? 266 రావాలి. 266 వచ్చిందా లేదా? Now 65, 132, 65, 132, 266, 538 and 1081, 1081. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, 65 into 2 plus 2. Then now 132 into 2 plus 2 అయితే 260 ఎంత రావాలి? 264 plus 2, 66 సరిపోయింది. తర్వాత మనకి ఇంటూ 2 plus 2 అంటే ఎంత రావాలి? 6 into 2, 12 plus 4, 6 రావాలి. అవునా కదా? కనుక అక్కడ ఎంత రావాలి? 534 రావాలి. 534 into 2 plus 2 మళ్ళీ అక్కడ మనకు రావట్లేదు. అండ్ 4 plus 2 మనకి ఎంత రావాలి? మళ్ళీ +3 వస్తుంది, విచ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. అండ్ ఇంటూ 2 plus 2 కాబట్టి ఇంటూ 2 plus 3 చేయండి. మరి నా 132 into 2 ఎంత? 64 plus 3 ఎంత వస్తుంది? 67 వచ్చింది. సరిపోయిందా? సరిపోయిందా లేదా? 267. అండ్ 267 into 2 ఎంత? 534. 534 plus 4, 538. And 538 into 2 ఎంత? 530, 1060. And 1060, 1076. 76 plus 5 రావాలి. 76 plus 5 సరిపోయిందా? మరి రాంగ్ నెంబర్ ఏది? నాట్ 266. Then 64. Now in the 64, మనం చెప్పండి 4454 ఏం చేస్తాం? డిఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్స్ పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి, బట్ ద నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అట్ ఎ స్మాలర్ రేట్. Now 44, 54 and 63, the difference is how much? 9. And 63 and 45 difference ఎంత? 18. And next one 45 and 81 difference 36. 9 into 2, 18. 18 into 2, 36. 36 into 2, 72. Now 72 must be subtracted from this one. And if you subtract 72 minus, ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? And 4409 రావాలి. అవునా కదా? ఇక్కడ 4410, that is the wrong one. And choice 5. The difference between the numbers are +9 minus 18, plus 36 minus 72, 64. Then 65. Much on 69,300. Numbers are increasing at a very fast rate. అవునా కదా? As the numbers are increasing at a very fast rate. Next ఏం చేయాలి? Then it must be under which category? And product. Product వస్తుందా? కాంబినేషన్ వస్తుందా? Product. Product ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? Whenever the numbers are in the decreasing order, we should always start in the reverse order. Reverse orderలో వెళ్ళాలి కదా? And reverse order. Reverse order ఎలా ఉంది చెప్పండి? 30 and 60 into 2 అయింది. And 60 and 182 అయితే కాదు, అది పర్ఫెక్ట్ మల్టిపుల్ కాదు. ఇంటూ 3 తీసుకుంటే 180. 180 into 5, 235 prime numbers. And 5 into 7, 9 into 7, 63 into 11, 693. Now the given numbers are divided by 11, divided by 7, divided by 5. And so what is the wrong number? 182 is the wrong number. 182 is the wrong number. Clear now? Now this is about question number 65, choice 3. Clear? And next is quant.